99% of people have no idea how to wash their car's paint, so we're going to be using this M240i that's covered in pollen to show you how to do it properly without scratching your paint. Never touch your paint without cleaning your wheels first. Pair these 3 brushes with our Blackline wheel and tire for a safe and easy wheel cleaning experience. Pre-wash with max APD and let the dirt drip off. Use a pH neutral soap for a safe contact wash. Grab a bucket with soapy water and a microfiber wash mitt to prevent scratches. Wash in straight lines to prevent swirl marks. Make sure to rinse your wash mitt in between each and every panel. Use a slim or OG Blackline drying towel to dry your car with no streaks and no water spots left behind. Wait for your tires to dry and then apply blackout trim and tire dressing for a sleek, glossy finish for the next couple weeks. But now that this BMW M240i is all clean, it's time to go rip it.